Hi guys, I am Lorna Owens. I am CEO of Desert Sage Wonderful World of Tea. Welcome to my Tea 101 experience. But first, it would be so rude if we did not have some tea. So as you can see, I'm pouring myself a large cup of tea. When you come to the class, bring some tea so we can all sit and have tea together and speak about tea. Now, you don't have to be a tea connoisseur. You could just be a beginner. You could just have some interest in tea. We're going to convert you to loving tea as much as I do when we're all over. Equipment wise, as you can see, not much. I'm going to have a faithful teapot. And what I have here is a beautiful oolong tea. It's really rare from the Kilimanjaro mountain. So I am going to be bringing that for you because you perhaps have never seen this anywhere. And my faithful teaspoon. And that's what all we need. So let me ask you, it's going to be interactive in a way. Tea is the second most consumed beverage in the world. So for the class, what is number one? You never know, you might win something fabulous. So we're going to do the history of tea. We're also going to look at some of the health benefits of tea. We're going to look at the categories of tea there are. We're going to start at green tea and most likely end with pu'er tea. If you've never heard of that, then good. Then you have something to learn when you come to the class. Of course, you're also going to learn how to make the perfect cup of tea because most of us, and included me, when I started this tea company at first, I didn't know how to make the perfect cup of tea. So I'm going to show you how to make a simple, perfect cup of tea. You'll get it right every single time. As I'm thinking, what good. Now, is chamomile tea? Well, you have to come to the class to find out what is tea and what's not, because we do say everything is tea, but everything is certainly not tea. We have some fun things to ask you. We can all laugh about, such as what is the difference between afternoon and high tea, and which one is the highbrow one and which isn't? Do you have to have your pinky, I can't even do it, have your pinky out when you do tea? Okay. Do you have to put milk in your tea, sugar in your tea? All of that wonderful stuff. So join me and let's have a great time together and more than everything. But first, tea, enjoy. Delicious. See you guys soon.